Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Netbeans 12.6 on your Windows 10. So before installing Netbeans, you have to download Java JDK. Just type download Java JDK in any browser and click on Java downloads. You can either download 19 or 17. I'm going to download and install 17. Just click on 17, then Windows, select x64 installer, and you can see the download has started. Okay, now you can see the download is finished. Now I am going to open the Java setup. Now click on next, next. Now close. Now if you want to see which version you have installed, just type cmd in Windows search and just type Java version. Type Java and space and give a you can see Java version 17.0.6. Now I am going to install Netbeans. Just type download Netbeans. And click on Apache Netbeans releases. Now you can see older releases. Just click on find out more and you can see Apache Netbeans 12.6. Just click on download. Now select Windows x64 and you can see the download has started. Okay, now you can see the download is finished. Normally it takes 10 to 15 minutes, so you have to wait. Now I am going to open the setup. Now just click on next. Check the box where I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on next. Now click on next. Install. Okay, now click on finish. Now open the Apache Netbeans. Now I'm going to create a new project and run my first program. Go to File, New Project. Select Java with and Java application. Next, give a name. You can give any name and make sure you check the box for create main class. Make sure you select this and click on finish. Now just click on run. You can see it says hello world. You can see it says hello world. So this is how you can download and install Netbeans. So make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos.